Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Download and install Google Earth Pro for desktop from Earth. Google, calm in a few minutes. Sign in with a Google account to sync places and settings across devices. Use the left search box to jump to addresses, coordinates, or landmarks quickly. Press the mouse scroll wheel to zoom and hold the right mouse button to pan. Toggle 3D mode in the lower right corner to view buildings and terrain. Measurements display in meters or miles depending on your settings. Use the on-screen navigation controls and your mouse to tilt, rotate, and orbit locations precisely. Left-click and drag to pan. Right-click and drag to change orientation slowly for cinematic viewpoints. Enable layers such as roads, borders, and 3D buildings to add contextual information to the map. Turn on the sun layer for real-time shadows across terrain. Use the ruler tool to measure distance and area in meters, kilometers, or miles accurately for plans. Create placemarks, polygons, and paths using the Add menu, then save them as KML or KMZ files for sharing. Import CSV or KML data to map multiple locations using latitude and longitude columns. Customize styles with colors, icons, and descriptions for each place. Record a guided tour to capture camera movement, narration, and timing for presentations. Export high-resolution images or print maps directly from the desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.